I'll guide you through how to make money online on YouTube. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, head over to YouTube analytics tool like View Stats. It's super useful for finding viral video across tons of different niches. Filter by your category, whether that's gaming, finance, memes, motivation, or whatever you're into, and look for videos that have been blowing up in the past few weeks. This gives you a clear picture of what's working right now. Next, take those viral videos and really study them. Don't just watch, break them down. Now here comes the key move, the zoink and twist method. That means you take a video that already works and make your own version that's 5 to 10% different. Once you've seen the patterns, create a custom checklist. Stuff like, does your hook hit in the first 2 seconds? Is the pacing clean? Any slow parts? Does the voiceover keep people engaged? This checklist becomes your quality control. Use it every time you make content. And last, stay consistent. Post one solid video every day, check your analytics, learn from the data, and keep leveling up. That's how you turn views into real money.